We all miss our dogs.
Heartbreak clouds the season of joy at Anita Martinez's home. It's just not the same without their four-legged family members.
I've been crying for days. I want my dogs back. There's nothing that could replace Kilo.
Or their dog, Pinta. Both dogs disappeared Tuesday, December 6th from their home near Federal and College Avenue.
They're friendly, they look mean, but they're not.
Used to always play with the ball, the tennis ball that we will always play with him.
The dogs are always in the back.
Anita takes the Fox 31 problem solvers to where the dogs live.
There's not one time that they're not hidden.
They have a huge yard, but mostly hang out in this custom-made doghouse, shared by their best buddy, a 200-pound pig named Mickey.
From what you just showed me, it'd be really hard to find the dogs. So what do you think happened?
I'm thinking that it's somebody that knows us, because there's no way from the street to see them. If they don't want to get in trouble because they're harboring them, just take them to the dog pound. I don't care to pay the fee. I just want my dogs back.
The dogs are loved by the kids in the neighborhood. Everyone just wants them home for Christmas.
Please, please.
I love my Kilo. I miss my Kilo. Please, just bring him back. Bring Pita back. Please, anything will help.
Shawl Turner, Fox 31.